You want the juice? 20.
Don't like is when you get kicked in the center of your body, right?
Alright, what's good, YouTube? I'm on my way to meet up with some homies. I don't know if I've already told you guys. Some of you may know if you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram. But I actually ended up joining a truck crew. And I don't know if you guys can see in my rear view back there. But the truck crew's name is King's Trucking. And some of you may know the leader. He goes by the name Ricardo, 5'3". I'll be sure to put him down in the description. He drives a white Tahoe. I'm sure a lot of you have seen it. I'm sure a lot of you who follow me more than likely follow him. But I'll explain some more as the day goes by. I'm just on his way to his house right now and meet up with some more of the crew members. And we'll just see where the night takes us from there. Alright guys, so we're getting close to the homie Ricardo's house, and I think honestly what they just want to do is get some rollers of all the trucks and talk about OTM. I don't know if I already explained it, but we did get a booth at OTM, and so if you want to see me and Rudolph, that's the truck if you don't know, at OTM, come swing by the booth and just come check us out. King's Trucking, that's the crew, and just see what we got. Come support.
Just showed up. I'm gonna dip after because they're gonna be in that bitch for a whole week, another week. What it do? Y'all here cooking? Don't show my address.
Video.
Oh, the video? Cut. Yeah.
Hey, just a guess.
Alright, so what's good, YouTube? We're on the way to meet up at a gas station with some of the crew members. I believe we're going to be cruising, Alright. I believe we're going to be cruising to Texas City, and I'll just keep you guys posted, updated, see where the night takes us, you know, the usual. And yeah, let's get into the video. I forgot to mention that it's a 30-minute drive from me, and I gotta stop and get gas really fast, so we're gonna do that first and then meet them at the gas. Alright guys, so we just got the gas. Now I'm just cruising on the way to the gas station, meet up with them. About a 25-minute drive, give or gonna take. I'll pick back up the camera whenever we're there. Peace. Looks like it's about to rain outside. We gotta hurry up and get to the parking garage so I can film this video. And cut. Alright, what's good, YouTube? We out here storm chasing. Nah, I'm just kidding. But we're on our way to the parking garage because I got something to show you guys. And before I get into that, I don't exactly know how this video is gonna go because one second. But I don't exactly know how this video is gonna go because I'm sort of splitting it up into parts. Well, it's just gonna be all around, and hopefully I can make it sort of like connect because I'm gonna be talking about two big things that have recently happened to me in the truck. So I'm sure you guys will know about it depending on the name of the video and the thumbnail. Well, actually, yeah, you guys will know about it. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Know you know. If you are a subscriber, hopefully you know this spot. You know I come here a lot. Go ahead and grab a ticket. Some good looking wheels. I always wanted Texas editions. A good looking BMW right here, M4. If I had the money. Ram 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know why there's so many Rams always up here. I guess they're company vehicles, not too sure. But since it is raining, we're just gonna stop the truck right here See that prison back there? Let me roll my window off. I have to fix so much on this truck before OTM. Crunch is real, boys. Crunch is real. But yeah, let me turn off the truck and then get back to the video. Alright, what's good, YouTube? To all my subscribers out there, today is a very big day. Did what I consider a pretty big upgrade. I'll show you guys here in a minute. It is raining, so we are stuck to we're on the second to the very top floor, if it makes any sense. There's 5 levels, we're on level 4. But it's still nice. Still nice out. But I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting any much longer. Let's go ahead and show you what I got done. Boom. What do you guys think about that? Got me some Texas Editions finally. Got some wheels. I love the way these look. I think it makes the truck look more modern, I guess you could say. But it looks really good. Really complements the truck. And the guy I bought them off of, I didn't even know it. He's a part of SA Trucks, the crew. And these are the stocks off his truck, I believe. I may or may not put them in the description down below. We'll see. But yeah, trucks look really good. Sits really good now. We're on some wider tires. These wheels, I believe, from the factory are 20x10s, and we're now running 275s. With the tire right there, 275 55 R20. But yeah, we got a little bit more meat on them now. 315s next. What you boys think? Think we can spin them? Got the horsepower? Yes or no? But yeah, I just want to make a quick little upload on these wheels. See what you guys think about them. What are y'all's opinions? This cop just chilling down there, kind of creeping me out, not gonna lie. Jeep Gladiator though. Actually, I was fortunate enough to drive one of those. It's just like driving a regular Jeep. I didn't realize how tight those things are. But back to the truck. More to come, more to come. And while I have you guys up here, I want to talk about something else. So if you guys follow me on any of my socials, you'll know that I've just joined a truck crew, King's Trucking. I don't know how many of you know it, but I'm sure a lot of you viewers are from my crew leader, if that makes any sense. I'm sure a lot of y'all came from him. He sent y'all to me to subscribe and whatnot. But it's a truck crew, and I just joined it, and the leader is Ricardo53 Vlogs. I'll put his channel and Instagram and all that other good stuff down in the description below. Make sure to check him out if you don't already follow him, but I'm sure a majority of you do. But yeah, I figured it'd help me keep motivated, keep uploading videos and stuff about the truck, because as you know, so many people have been trying to buy this truck off me, including a YouTuber I'm sure you're all familiar with, Freddy LSX. But I don't know, something just kept telling me not to sell it. And I think that's why I needed to join this crew. Keep me motivated, keep doing stuff to it, because it's only up from here. But here's the vinyl. King's Trucking right there. I have a red one at home. Let me know what you guys think. Should I put the red one on, or should I keep the white one? I kind of want to keep the white one. I think it complements everything else. Especially, this is my favorite right here. Got my truck on my truck. What you know about that? Plus my Instagram, if you aren't already following me, at Texas_CarSpotters. Go give me a follow. I post stuff there before I do on it, YouTube. But yeah, that's the two big things I was telling you guys about earlier. And yeah, it's only up from here. I got another upgrade at the house sitting that I'll be posting the next video. Hopefully, I'm trying to get better at posting. Trying to like keep up with it, but hopefully it'll be posted shortly after this one. But yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you are already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like the video too, maybe turn on the notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram. I've seen a lot of you guys watching my videos, commenting down below while watching my previous video, commenting, liking, but yet nobody was subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. You'd really be helping me out, help out the channel. And yeah, just keep me motivated, keep me working on the truck. But yeah, without further ado, I know I keep saying that, I'm gonna end the video here. Give you guys one last look at the Texas Editions. Ooh, they look good. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Take it easy. I had to take advantage of this lighting real quick. I have to catch the sun going down in the background. You want to see these photos, peep my Instagram, same as my YouTube, at Texas_carspotters. Why don't you go over there and give me a follow. The link will be in the description as always. And yeah, I'm gonna get a couple photos and bounce out with it. Boom, there you go. If you didn't know, got my truck on my truck. Sheesh. Texas Edition's looking right. Man, cannot stop staring at them. They really changed the look of the truck. If you don't remember what it looked like whenever I first got it, go back and watch some of the previous videos. But yeah, something else coming soon. Stay tuned. Alright, so what's good, guys? Got a package from Amazon. As you can see, I got kind of excited and already opened it up. But it's the next mod for the truck. Here we go. Ooh, it's gonna really change up the look of it. If you guys can tell, it is already. But tune in for the next video. We're gonna be putting them on. And yeah, peace.